Bruno Vasari's LabTech line has been developed with the most effective active ingredients to treat any type of skin problem in a personalized way, providing great luminosity, improving skin texture and consistency, and rejuvenating the appearance of the skin. This line is indicated to correct and minimize blemishes, scars, wrinkles, dull skin, open pores, and irregular skin texture. It is a perfect combination of innovation and expertise, which multiplies by 3 times the potential of the active ingredients used. During the whole treatment, we will work with the maximum possible asepsis. Therefore, the use of gloves is essential. We begin the treatment by removing makeup from the eyes and lips with BioDouce. Next, we cleanse the skin of the face, neck, and décolleté with Aqua Cleanser Cleansing Milk. Next, soak a cotton pad with micro-peel lotion, a specific solution that gently tones and exfoliates the skin while preparing it for the treatment. Then choose the concentrate to work with and extract it using a sterile syringe and needle. Prepare the Vega micropuncture device, previously disinfected, with the needle head incorporated, and select the depth and speed at which we are going to work. Start the treatment with Vega by applying the concentrate by zones. And sliding the device gently without exerting pressure. Until the entire area to be treated is finished. It is normal that when performing the treatment, we observe some points of slight bleeding for a few moments. After, apply the instant cooling mask. And start a 10 to 15 minute massage with the cryogenic spheres to decongest the skin. At the end of the massage, optionally, we can leave the mask on for 5 to 10 more minutes. Once the exposure time has elapsed, remove the excess gently with plenty of fresh water. Finish the treatment by gently applying Cryo SOS cream followed by Everyday Protection SPF 40 sunscreen.